Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you how to increase 100% real Instagram followers. Firstly, I am going to show you proof because I already increased my Instagram followers by this application. This is my account and I increased my followers 1700, 1800, 1900, 11, 2000 and 22, 24, 27, 28, 24. So 100 requests are there. 21, 90, 190, 100. So we will increase real Instagram followers by application. Link I will be provide in the description box. Let's begin. Firstly, we will open this application, which name is Get Insta application, and we will follow other people to get coins. Just like we will follow this account, so we get coins. We will get coins. 100 coins are added. Now we will like photos, so we get coins. Now my energy is 0. I have to wait for 5 minutes. Okay, so if we want to increase our followers, firstly log in to our original account. If you want to increase your followers on your main account, so this is my Instagram page. So now I have 306 followers on my Instagram page. Now now I am giving order for free followers by this application. This is 100% real application. You can trust blindly. So now I have 190.58 coins. So if we want to increase 10 followers, we will give 189 followers. So you can see we have now 306 followers. Now we will give order to increase followers, get followers. Now we will click on this icon. So read this: congrats, your task has been published successfully. You can check the process in task list. Okay, we can increase many followers in one day. You have to make many accounts, many fake Instagram accounts, so you can follow continuously people. Now you can see it, we have energy 6, so we can like other people also. We will get 20 coins immediately by liking photos. So we have to wait for 5 minutes to get followers. This is I give already a order. So let's watch it. Followers are coming or not. So you guys see it, 10 followers are immediately come, and they also liking our posts. You can see. Okay guys, hope you like it. Link is in the description box.